This is a form of meditation that is particularly effective for certain things. Um, in particular, it's effective for helping you narrow the focus of your mind, but also it's a very good meditation to do in busy or very active environments where you might not be able to go as deep, but you might need some help grounding or to get some focus. Particularly, you can get pretty deep with this meditation, especially after a while of practicing it. But it takes some practice and it definitely takes a lot of concentration. So basically what this meditation is you're going to focus with your eyes open, focusing on one item in front of you. It could be anything. It could be a little area on the wall. It doesn't have to be anything in particular. But it does have to be one thing. And you have to completely put your concentration and your focus on that thing. And you're going to do that until you can shove all other ideas out of your mind, all other thoughts, all other anything. You're going to focus completely on that one thing. And this is going to quiet your mind to a lot of other external stimuli or what say you, but it's also going to help you learn how to concentrate. It's going to help you learn how to focus your attention in a more specific way. And over time, your vision will start to distort and it will become much more of a trance that you'll go into. And it's a very effective way to get into a state of trance, actually. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to do it with you, and I'm just going to stare at myself in the camera there, and you can enjoy the video. You can stare at me, but anyway, too far. Anyway, just find something to look at, and then concentrate your full attention on it. It doesn't matter necessarily what it is. I have tried this in a mirror a few times, and it is quite effective, but also the visual distortions can be a bit weird. So anyway, we'll start this meditation now. There'll be limited talking. It will probably go on for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So let's start. Remember to find that singular focus. You want to keep your body completely still as well. Now, as you focus more and more, your vision will start to distort. Let it. If your eyes get uncomfortable, blink or rub them, it's up to you. The main thing is keep your focus. remember not to get distracted by the visual distortions. Try to keep your mind focused as well. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah. Might want to take a big stretch. Love you. So yeah. Now, obviously, the visual disturbances are kind of interesting, but yet also kind of distracting. But avoiding being too fascinated by them is important, as attachment to anything that's going on automatically is going to take away your focus. And typically, the longer you can keep your focus on that one area, the more interesting the visual disturbances get, as reality will start to kind of shift and colors will become more raw and more geometric in nature. So I recommend you do this with a few different things. You could do it with yourself in a mirror. You could do it with different items, staring at them and really focusing on them. It will make them take on different shapes and make them bring out different aspects of them that you haven't seen before, which is quite interesting and quite a cool thing to do. But generally, what this exercise is mainly for is about focusing and creating a kind of thought gnosis where you are one with what you are thinking, a point of singularity, so to speak. So in this meditation, you can use this meditation, the concept of this meditation, for many other different rituals and meditations. So think about it as a building block. And you might be just thinking right now, I just stared at a guy on a random camera for 5 minutes, which is true. But what it's teaching your mind to do is very important. If you guys are interested in meditation, in magic, and in healing, then I really recommend that you check out my link below to see all my programs, my store, different services that I offer. And really click on the one that is the most interest to you. I have courses to really help you deal with trauma and to heal the shadow self. I have different items in my store that could be really helpful to you, crystals and different spiritual tools. I have books, I have videos, I have lots of stuff that you might be interested in. So I recommend that you click the link below if you're interested in that. And if you're not, I'll see you tomorrow for our next meditation. Bye-bye.